Okay, let's dive into this. We're looking at consumer product authenticity today, specifically a furniture repair salve, Luxgrove. But the real story seems to be the marketplace it lives in. Sources are calling it weapons-grade chaotic.
That term really nails it, doesn't it? It
Yep.
sets the scene perfectly. Our goal here is to look at Luxgrove's actual product. It seems legit.
Yeah.
Using natural oils and waxes for leather, wood, metal restoration, and contrast that with, well,
The criminally absurd consumer confusion.
exactly, caused by this flood of knockoffs, especially on platforms like Amazon.
And Luxgrove itself, they're promising quite a bit. Multi-surface restoration, protective barriers, bring back that original luster. We've even seen these testimonials, vintage Ralph Lauren sofas, Ethan Allen chairs looking, well, amazing afterwards.
And that's where we did the legitimacy check. Our analysis backs it up. Luxgrove seems to be a genuine furniture care product. The formula, natural oils, waxes, it matches up with traditional leather care chemistry, the kind professional restorers actually use. So it's not some gimmick. It's based on sound principles.
Okay, so the core product is solid. But what about claims like immediate transformation or instant magical revival? Is that just marketing spin? I mean, if it's standard chemistry, is that rapid improvement just what happens with good conditioning, or are they overselling it?
That's definitely the nuance here. It does work quickly. It restores moisture, conditions the surface pretty much instantly, so you get that immediate visual pop. But calling it magical revival, that's pushing it. It's conditioning, not like deep damage reversal happening in seconds.
Right. It helps the appearance, but doesn't, say, fix a deep gouge magically.
Precisely. And it's positioned as premium, around $30 for an 8-ounce tin, which honestly is competitive. It's in the same ballpark as other known brands like Leather Honey or Chamberlain's.
So the product chemistry makes sense, the price is comparable, even the instructions clean first, apply in circles, let it soak in, buff off, that all sounds standard, completely legitimate.
Totally standard procedure for this kind of treatment.
Okay, so if the product itself is pretty much bulletproof, then the chaos must be coming from outside. Tell us about this marketplace ecosystem. That seems to be the real story.
It really is, and it points to, frankly, a massive failure in platform regulation. Amazon in particular is just awash with copycat brands, names like Zinklet, UI Lang, Furniture Collective. They're using Luxgrove's exact marketing language, the same descriptions, even the same product photos sometimes.
So if you, listening right now, were to search for Luxgrove, you wouldn't just find Luxgrove.
Oh, no, you'd find dozens of listings, visually identical maybe, priced anywhere from, say, $10 up to the full $30, and trying to figure out which one is the actual Luxgrove product versus some generic colored wax. It's almost impossible without doing some serious digging.
Wow, that sounds incredibly frustrating. You can't just click and buy the thing you searched for.
Exactly. And this confusion, it really erodes consumer trust, doesn't it? You have these other operations basically piggybacking off Luxgrove's marketing efforts, their product development investment, maybe selling something inferior, maybe not, but they haven't earned that customer click.
But couldn't you argue that's just sort of the wild west of online marketplaces? Shouldn't Luxgrove just police their brand harder?
They likely try. I mean, brands do. But the sheer scale makes it incredibly difficult. It's like playing whack-a-mole. The core issue, arguably, is the platform not having better systems to prevent functionally identical listings from proliferating like this. It kind of rewards the copycats.
Okay, so the platform's part of the problem, but let's bring it back to the actual Luxgrove tin you might eventually find. Does it work?
Yes, fundamentally, the original product delivers on its core promise. Our sources confirm it does provide good scratch coverage, helps restore color, and leaves a protective coating that seems to last for a decent amount of time, like months.
Right, so the takeaway for you isn't just, does the wax work? Because, yeah, it seems the real Luxgrove does. It's more about the environment it exists in. The fact that even when you find a good product, this marketplace chaos forces you, the consumer, to become a detective just to make sure you're actually getting that product.
It ends up punishing the legitimate brand. They do the work, build a reputation, and then get drowned out by imitators exploiting the system.
Which leads us to a final thought, really.
Yeah, it raises a bigger question, doesn't it? In this digital age, with these huge online marketplaces, how many other quality, maybe niche products are getting lost? Buried under copycats who are just gaming the system, maybe without any real commitment to quality themselves. And what responsibility do these massive platforms have to ensure some level of authenticity or at least clarity for buyers?
Something definitely worth thinking about next time you're hunting for something specific online. How do you know you're getting the real deal?